Are you tired of searching for ways to make money online, only to realize that the methods shared require too much time, too much skill, or too much investment? I want you to imagine a world where you don't have to be an influencer, a product designer, or spend hours taking surveys to earn a few dollars. What if there was a way to create a passive income stream without any experience, any upfront cost, or the constant hustle? In this video, I'm going to reveal what I now know is the easiest, most passive method that people are using right at this moment to make money from anywhere across the globe. And by doing so, you'll be able to launch an entire online business in less than 5 minutes using a free AI tool called Build Your Store. We're going to get this done in just a few steps. Welcome back to today's video. Let's jump right into the topic at hand. But before we dive in, let's talk about why this particular method works and why I highly recommend you try it. Starting an online store has never been easier or faster. This method works especially well for beginners because it is automated and very intuitive, guiding you through every single step automatically. You don't need to be on camera, you won't need to write lengthy descriptions, or even find products yourself. You will actually use AI to build a store and fill it automatically with trending products that practically sell themselves. Plus, you can get started with the AI for 100% free for the first few days. You can do this either on your phone, tablet, or computer, so no one is excluded. Now let's set up our store with Build Your Store, and we're going to do this together. I'll be using my computer. To get your free AI store builder, you're going to click the link in the description of this video. It's the one at the top, and you'll get access to the AI tool for free. Next, you will need to select your niche or choose your area of interest for your store. I recommend that you pick a niche that aligns with your interests and has market demand, which is critical. You can use this simple method. Make a list of 5 things that you are interested in, even if they didn't make you any money when you did them. This could be things like technology, health, pets, electronics, fashion, or even home decor. I recommend giving a score out of 5 for each of the items on your list, with 5 being the area you're most interested in and 1 being the least. Now, this is what my list looks like. I love technology and gadgets, so I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. I like this particular niche for myself because while most people out there want a dream car or house, I've always wanted gadgets. I'm also obsessed with fashion. So I'm rating this niche 4 out of 5 because fashion brings me happiness and productivity. I also love good fashion, but on a budget, so I'm giving fashion a 3 out of 5. Fitness and health are important to me, so I'm giving it a 3 out of 5 as well. Eco-friendly products are a 3 out of 5 for me too. With your list and ratings in hand, head over to ChatGPT. You can use the free version of ChatGPT for this. The prompt is going to say, what are the niches for the top-selling online products in 2025? As you can see, ChatGPT will provide an extensive list, which includes health and wellness, eco-friendly products, pet products and accessories, beauty and skincare, and tech gadgets, just to name a few. Now, head back to your list and compare it with the results from ChatGPT. Your objective is to identify similarities. Your niche should be the highest-rated product area on your list that also appears on the ChatGPT list. My niche, for example, is going to be fashion. Now, when you click the link in the description and open your Build Your Store account, you'll see 5 options from a niche perspective, as I'm showing you here on screen. There's fashion, pets, gadgets and accessories, home and garden, and sports and fitness. Match one of those niches to your focus area that you've already compared to ChatGPT's results. Next, you'll need to create a Shopify account and connect your store automatically to Shopify. I recommend this to take advantage of Shopify's basic plan, which starts at $1 for the first 30 days. Build Your Store AI provides clear, easy-to-follow steps to set up your Shopify store, making it extremely beginner-friendly. Go ahead and install the Build Your Store app, and with a click of a button, the AI will create your unique online Shopify store automatically. Yes, you heard me right. It did all the work for you. Next, register for AutoDS to streamline your product sourcing and order fulfillment. By registering for AutoDS, your store will come ready with the products you'll sell, which will already be inside the store automatically. That's amazing, especially for beginners. And that's why registration for AutoDS is so important. When someone purchases a product on your online store, AutoDS will handle sourcing, delivery, and logistics on your behalf. This will allow you to make money while you sleep. To connect AutoDS with your Shopify store, follow the simple steps. Here's what your store looks like after just a few clicks. In about 5 minutes. It's as easy as that. Go live with your store and start promoting your e-commerce business. It looks pretty professional, as I'm showing you here. This is a store that's ready for you to start making money with top-selling products already in it. Now, the third step in this process is to start driving traffic to your store. Frankly speaking, a store without traffic will result in 0 sales. Here are a few ways you can drive traffic to your store without spending money on ads. I recommend creating social media profiles that match your business name on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to drive traffic. For example, if your store is about fashion products, you can create short, engaging videos or posts featuring your fashion and link them back to your store. If your post goes viral, it could drive thousands of curious viewers to check out your products, potentially leading to sales. A 1% conversion rate is typical, meaning that 1% of visitors may buy. If you get 10,000 visitors to your website in a month using this method, and 1% converts, at $10 per product, that's $1,000 right there from one viral video. You can also start a blog on your Shopify store since the platform supports blogging. You can write about tips, guides, or stories related to your niche. For example, if your store focuses on fashion products, you can blog about fashion tips or common fashion problems. This will boost your SEO and help build credibility for your store. You can also join Quora, Facebook groups, Reddit communities, or other forums related to your niche. Share helpful advice and insert a link to your store. In the next video, I'll share more about marketing on social media, so stay tuned. You can also use Pinterest to create boards related to your niche, such as best fashion products or best fashion tips for women. Pin images of your products to drive traffic to your Shopify store. As for potential earnings, let's say you're selling a product with a profit margin of $60. To make $600 a day, you'll need to sell just 10 products. You're not going to sell 10 products on day one. It takes time and effort to build your online business. But the bottom line is that many people are doing this and making good money. Aligning your passion with market needs and top-selling products increases your chances of success. The process with Build Your Store and AutoDS is streamlined, efficient, and designed for success. Start your e-commerce journey today by clicking the Build Your Store link in the description. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy.